Hey, what's up guys, my name is Sam and you're watching Mr. Salesman. तो भाई कैसे हैं आप लोग? So recently a new product just landed in my hands, just like this. What's this product? How to use it and how you can get your own product just like this one. Let me explain and let me show you and let me give you an entire review of this product. Let's go. So this product is known as the Moonlight, the 3D Moonlight. Let's view the box first and then let's see what's inside. So you can see on the top, the moon represents my heart. Nice slogan, not a bad one. Great marketing scheme. So now let's see what's inside the box. When you open the box, you can see a moon-shaped light. It has small textures just like the moon on it. It has a USB chargeable port over here and it has a on and off switch. Okay. And then you guys can see some pieces that can be attached together to create a stand for this light. And then of course you have the micro USB cable right over here. That's it. That's the box. Okay. So first of all, let's see and attach these pieces together to make the stand. Let me figure it out. Okay. Not a bad shape, not a bad design. It's a really good design. And I guess this would just stick like this. So it looks pretty cool and it is a pretty neat design. The quality of it is really good as well. You can't like press it, it doesn't bend, it doesn't lose its shape. It's just really good. Okay, so now let's turn it on. Just switch the switch over here. Yeah, and then you need to slam it a little in order to make it change its light. Okay, not bad. So it has 8 different colors. I guess you guys can't see the light right now. So let me turn off my lights and show you how bright this is. So in the dark, this looks this bright. Like it's really good. You can put this on your bedside, on your working table, on your studio table, or where you put your background stuff, the LED lights. You can put this in that background. It's a home decor, more like a room decor product. If you guys want your own product like this one, the 3D Moonlight, you guys can contact me on my number. For further information as well, you guys can contact me on my number. Okay, so now let's view some more colors. Okay, so this is just like the moon. The light is similar to the moon. This is a red one. This is a green one. A blue one. Not a bad color. It looks really good. I really like the texture of this ball. Like it's so decent and it's so amazing, just like the moon, and it's really bright as well. Okay, so this is the moon color. It looks really good in this color. Like I can literally feel the embossment of the design on it. It looks really fascinating and it looks really amazing. Just by gripping it, it looks like it is made of high quality. Nice. This is a really good product. Okay, this color just changes its color. So you can just keep it on the side and let it change its color, and you can play some music behind and enjoy the scene, whatever. Okay, so this was the 3D moon lamp. If you guys want your own 3D moon lamp, contact me on my number. For more information, contact me on my number. You guys can order it. You guys can place your order right away. And yeah, pretty much that's it. This was the review of the 3D moon lamp. It comes with this design stand. It looks really good. It has a really nice design, and honestly speaking, this is a really good quality lamp. So on the box as well, you guys can see wait, let me find it. Yeah, over here you guys can see that it is made in China, so it means that it is a really high quality product. Okay, so this was the 3D moon lamp. If you guys want to place your order right away, you guys can do that. And if you guys want to see more products just like these for interior and for exterior, you want to decorate your homes, you want to decorate your rooms, just subscribe to my channel and follow me on other social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And soon I'll be uploading posts and videos on LinkedIn as well. In the future, I'm not really sure when, but I'll update you guys. So till the next video, Allah Hafiz.